Today, I'm going to be teaching you guys how I made over $1,000 trading stock options in just under 1 hour. Let's get into it. So if you guys don't know, I run a 17,000 member Discord, and in this Discord, we trade stock options. You're able to see what I buy and sell, and we even give out free alerts. This Discord is free to join, and you guys can join with the first link in the description, or you could also go to our Instagram and then click the Discord link in the bio. But either way, in this Discord, we trade, and this past Friday, I made a pretty solid trade that netted me over $1,000 in just under an hour. That's what we're going to be teaching you guys how I did it, and giving you guys a little bit of a strategy to utilize as well. So if you guys are interested in that, make sure you guys stick around for the end of the video, and I'll also give you a pretty sweet offer. So go ahead and do that. So this strategy includes doing 0 DTE options on SPY, mostly on Fridays. A lot of people are trading SPY on Fridays. So these options have the potential to go up a lot, and you can obviously see on your screen right now that these options did go up by a ton. And this is an interesting strategy. So I'll teach you guys how I did it. First, I want to show you guys how I made the $1,000. Then I'll show you the strategy. So first off, at 10:01 a.m., I alerted the people in my Discord on SPY $457 puts for 728, which was 0 DTE, the 0 days till expiration. Basically a lotto play for 72 cents per contract. I ended up taking about 15 contracts for $1,080. You know, you could have done less than this. You could have got one contract and it would have gone up a ton. However, I bought 15 contracts for $1,080 after, you know, everything is multiplied by 72 cents. So that's basically what I did at 10:01. So I ended up selling a few at 10:11. So about 10 minutes later, I sold a few at 32 contracts. And by that, I mean, I sold about 2 contracts. By 10:30 a.m., they were up 53% and I sold half. I set a stop loss in the green, but as you can see here, there was no need for a stop loss as we continued down. And nothing else happened, or no green candlesticks happened. So I continued to be in the green, and then as you can see here at 10:46 a.m., just 45 minutes after my initial alert, I sold the other half, or the full amount of my SPY puts, for 154%. So I sold the first 7 contracts for about $270 in profit, sold the last 8 contracts for $890 in profit, and that is a total profit of about $1,160. And that was all done from 10:01 a.m. to 10:46 a.m. for a total of actually 45 minutes, not even close to an hour. And this is a strategy I like to use mostly on Fridays. I like to do basically Lotto Fridays in our Discord, where we do some risky plays. And it's based off of a strategy that I'm about to teach you. So the strategy is basically, if SPY is in the green and it's going very well, you wait until you see signs of a reversal about midday. So as you all know, the market opens at 6:30 on the West Coast, which is what I'm on. And usually around 9 to 10 a.m., we'll finally have a reversal. Now, this might have been an indication of an initial reversal because the MACD started crossing over. However, I was looking at it when we saw this big green candlestick, so this put me off a bit. So I set this as a level at the 457 level. I said if it goes below this support line right here, this intraday support line, that I will enter. And that's exactly what happened. We got a candlestick to go under my support line, and that's when I initially alerted for the buying of the 15 contracts. Now, as soon as this happened, the reason that we use this strategy is because SPY often likes to go in the green a ton for the first 2 to 3 hours, and then it will reverse midday, and then obviously you can also see a reversal again midday. So this is the type of thing, strategy where you need to be trading within the hour. Either you're going to be down because you misread it 30 to 50%, or you're going to be up anywhere from 50 to 100%, just depending on how you play this. So obviously this worked out for me today, and it works out for me most Fridays as well. as I, am able to predict these things pretty well, as I did today. So we entered our EMA lines. We were trending down on the MACD. I wasn't scared of it, reversing back up because of how strong the downward trend was. And our RSI was about 60. So I figured there was a pretty good gap down to at least below 40 RSI. And that's exactly what happened. So that's basically the strategy. If it opens up a lot in the green, wait for a reversal, with the RSI, the MACD trending down, and then entering your EMA lines. And then, or vice versa, if it starts really in the red, wait for a reversal to the green, and then you're able to enter when the MACD starts trending up, the RSI starts trending up, and then you enter the EMA lines. This would be another reversal right here. You could switch these puts into calls, although I was okay with my $1,160 in profit, and I was good to leave it at that. So that's the strategy. If it helped you, go ahead and leave a comment in the comment section below. If you're interested in getting mentored in stock options, what I want you to do is go to It's Finance Bro on Instagram, or you can DM me within our Discord. My name is Zach on there, Zach Friesen. So if you want to try to DM me, then you can go ahead and do that on Discord or Instagram, and just DM me the word mentor, and we'll discuss the details, and I'll talk to you about our mentorship program that we have. If not, just go ahead and join our Discord with the first link in the description, and we will see you guys in our Discord. But yeah, leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.